Abby Zwerner's attorneys say a newly filed workers' compensation claim on their client's behalf is normalizing violence against teachers. The Newport News school administrators filed the claim on Friday, almost 1 year to the day that a 6-year-old shot Zwerner in her classroom. It comes as the former teacher has a $40 million lawsuit against the school division. Allison Basil is in the studio. And Allison, what do attorneys for the school division say about this?
Well, Janet, the attorney representing Newport News Public Schools says they believe the Workers' Compensation Commission is the correct place to determine this case, not the circuit court. Abby Zwerner has said she does not want workers' compensation benefits. 13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth says he doesn't usually see employers file for their employees.
I mean, it's not apples and oranges exactly, but it's definitely different.
Abby Zwerner's lawyers are fighting back after the Newport News school administrators filed a workers' compensation claim for her on Friday. Zwerner and her attorneys had multiple hearings about moving forward with her $40 million lawsuit against Newport News Public Schools.
It's overwhelming. She's doing good, though.
In November, a Newport News Circuit Court judge gave Zwerner the green light, ruling her injuries did not fall within the exclusive provisions of workers' comp coverage. On Friday, the school system's attorney, Ann Loren, said research found there is legal authority to file the claim. In reference to Zwerner, Loren in a statement says, in part, quote, she has recently given interviews expressing worry about medical expenses arising from her injuries, all of which would be covered for her lifetime by workers' compensation benefits. There is a 2-year statute of limitations for seeking these benefits. We do not want to see these significant benefits jeopardized by letting the deadline for filing lapse. Zwerner's attorneys fired back, saying in part, quote, the school board is hiding behind workers' compensation to avoid their responsibility to correct the problem. The Newport News school board continues to insult not just the public, but every hardworking teacher in Newport News. 13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth says no matter what the Workers' Compensation Commission rules, that decision should remain separate from Zwerner's lawsuit.
I think so, and I fully anticipate that the plaintiff would be arguing that regardless of what the Workers' Compensation Commission may do or not do, they have an independent claim that's proceeding in the circuit court, and the trial court has ruled that they can do that.
At the November hearing, the attorney representing the school division said she planned to appeal the judge's decision to allow Zwerner's lawsuit to move forward. And she says they are still waiting for permission to appeal and hope to hear an update later this month. Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
All right, Allison, thank you. And a tentative trial date for Zwerner's lawsuit is scheduled in 2025. And new tonight, 7 separate $3 million lawsuits were filed against the Newport News School Board and former Rich Neck School leadership. Each one claims multiple counts of negligence related to the shooting of Abby Zwerner just over a year ago. 6 of the suits were filed by parents or guardians on behalf of students at school that day. They claim school leadership was aware of the child's previous violent tendencies. They also allege nothing was done after other teachers reported that the child had a gun. The additional lawsuit was filed by one student's grandmother, who says she was in the school office when the shooting happened. Court docs say she helped treat Abby Zwerner when she came into the office after being shot. There are no hearing dates yet, and we will let you know when that changes.